Bandala day kapor, yaki kena pule bakin jet bat beteng yaka lain pule jongki, kadairu kapor, kabaki leng apisa, namar bakim sngo nang show ban jet, hakano ka lain, bat hangno on late ban pentibet yalade, katkum kasap kabaki don, kenang ban pernai ka Lawei ka jongki hi. Day hang ne ken, babon ki jet yaka Jettwings. Ka Jaka Hikai kumno ban penroy ya ka boot start jong ki kena ban pentebet ya ki hakarukam ka balap diang salon sar jong ka pertei ban aibor ya ki ban wan syakmat bat yakot kerdan bat ki weide lakadei hakaliang jong ka airline hospitality tourism bat ki wei ki kam karkhana da ka babsu ya ki boot jing start haman la iwei pa iwei kena katkum karukam bat ka kerdan bak ham shalor tam rengkat ka Tyngshaiñ bakin long shisha kita ki professional.
Tika Jettwings shalom menta ngila edon kumba khawisnem. Ngizdang husnem arjah nyo. Ti menta arjah kat prat ki kena ki bela ya pas ke institut jongiru kila tam hiya ka praspa menta. Ti kala poi ka put adu ba nu snem la dap ila bun ki batches na ro sausan batches adu bangi khemla shaban pendap ya ki classrooms. Ti nama kata kadau ngila shim sa koi ka building menta. Kam jengai shona ni tang te haneng hi ha po ni haju ha plan road te hara ka building ngila yo sakalat ban company he yak institute ngila yo ban bo classroom show so ka way mangila sa hang te ngila shna so ka lab ka hospitality lab ha ka ba we have a mock restaurant, a mock bar and a mock hotel room so that you cannot come yo show ki practical sessions and all of that te so ka way ro Ngiang ni Jettwings akan ni center jong ni tahu dan ni kuat ban put a lot more emphasis on the aviation sector. Namar ba kibon ki kena bawan mentaru a lot of them ki kuat kakam ke airlines. Di kenang ki kena jong ni bon ki pat imoy ki aeroplanes ne she airport ru. Di ya center ni ru ila shna mentaban bon on khamok aircraft. Abang ila ban Hikai kam long more practical ki kena kanur kom ba kinya travel ki airlines and so on and so forth. We are grateful to Shillong, we're grateful to all the colleges hapok ka state jongi hi kibayarap ban pen khamshai ki khana ya ki careers ki khambon mo like na ka career haki ban lok doctor ni belong lawyer di mata kan ni ka sector ro po India ka long ka sector ka bala he shibon ngin pek menta kum sha Delhi sha Bangalore ki international brands kum ki Western kum ki Four Seasons ki mangi paju osmo tra these hotel brands have come and la don't come show ki khana bakin join ki jobs for hospitality industry so ki airlines ru ha India menta khala kadek industry bala it's really expanding menta we saw in the last 2 years kala once ko ka new airlines thamai Vistara and we're very fortunate pa napok ka institute jongiru kung bakhat sanmut ki khana kila long selected ban long cabin crew of Vistara and on top of that ka airlines kum ka Air Asia ka Indigo ka Jet Airways so they keep on expanding and kito ki khana ka profile jong ka airlines nang ni po institute jongiru kila bon ki bala yo ka kam and I'm so happy to say that a lot of the students shisha ki ba yo opo ki airlines ki dei na po ki khana khasi jongi khamtam kini ki Jaka kum na po nong po madadating nang ni na po nong thamai ti na lam khra ki don hi ti nakaleng ka shalong hi na ri kila poi in almost all the sectors
Om tangkata ha Jettwings ki khana ki yo ya ka jing Hikai hadu kaput balatik na bet ban yo ya ka kam hadien bakila pendep ya ka training jongki bat kat kum ka lain jing Hikai jongki kum ta ka Jettwings ka pha ya ki shaki hotel kum ka Oberoi group of hotels lani shaki lengsun kum ka Air Asia Indigo Vistara kum ta terter na banta kani ki don ki recruiter ki bajuan na kapor sa kapor ban jet ya ki khna ban thungkam ya ki hasorba Mumbai Delhi kumta terter na marla ong ba ki khna jong kani ka than chate lamingi ki long ki ba bit ba biang ha kani ka liang kumta ki long ki ba nungkong e ban sha jet.
At Oberoi Group, we don't offer a job, we offer a career, and I'm going to just explain you in next 5 minutes what exactly I mean by that. So first of all, when we come to Northeast, we come with a lot of expectations and we know they're going to be fulfilled. 3-4 main criterias that we definitely know, and we've seen it in past because we have multiple people who've been working with us from various institutes in Shillong, Siliguri, Guwahati and many other places in Northeast. Is number one, they're extremely hardworking. You know, you give them a task, and you train them once, demonstrate it to them once, and they'll definitely by heart and never let you down, and that's the best thing. So it saves a lot of time for us because we don't have to monitor and supervise them after every minute or in few days. It's just about teaching them once. So hard work is one attribute that we always get impressed by people in Northeast. Number two is, of course, they're presentable and they speak very well. They have a different accent of English, which we all know, and I think that goes very well with all the people who come to the hotel from different walks and from the different parts of the world, and it marries very well with them, and hence I think that's another part which really attracts us to come time and again to Northeast to recruit people. Number three, I think, which I think all of you would agree, and all of us always take that as a factor, is that they're always very flexible. You know, if you tell them that, you know, would you like to get groomed in a department which is like housekeeping, or a department of food and beverage, or can we groom you in laundry, they're always very open, because I think their urge to learn is quite high.
Kajing Hikai hang ni Jettwings kane hadu shisnem. But la penyat ya karukom Hikai katkum ka National Skills Qualification Framework of India.
So I'm going to take you through a short journey of how an employee joins the Oberoi Hotel in Mumbai, and then maybe about the growth factors that he or she can experience with. So the moment an employee joins, now imagine someone joining from Shillong, I understand coming to Mumbai, which is a hustle bustle city. Someone like us who've been staying there for many years, we get confused. So obviously we are very sensitive of the fact to understand that they are from a different place and coming to a different place. So we have a 6 long day induction program, which we name it as Roots. That means making a difference and knowing the grip of the Oberoi group. We make them feel very comfortable. We do not push them in the departments directly. We orient them to the hotel. We give them show round. We have department heads who come and talk to them about the various departments, and that's a great opportunity for them to talk to the department head directly for any kind of question and answers. And then towards the end, we encourage them with a small little high tea to make them feel welcome, and of course to experience how a guest may feel when they are on the other side of the table. So that's a 6-day long training program completely managed by a training team.
Kador by Pule hang ni kinong penyat kiong kamlong kabarit nrei kalong kababit but hagbala penbiang nadong syadong ya baro kijing don kam jong ki kuna Pule kum ki uniform ki sari ki kot Pule kuntup ya ki counseling interview klem da outdoor show nalor ka fees balapu but onda kila sha jiet ban nek trai ki company bahe shabar jala kin yo shu ka jing pentibet hala ki jong ki lain.
Because fee structure mentala it has never changed. It has always been the same. The fee structure maximum it touches a lakh. The system that we've put in place also is very convenient. We have installment systems. New installment bakilaban sale. They don't keep board ruba tingkat ki make paju kena kimla ban sale immediately por kena kitang dan course. And we always have an arrangement where when the students start working, they can start paying us slowly whatever fees they can afford. And the other thing also that we have is we partner with Canara Bank, we partner with Bank of Baroda, we also have now an understanding with State Bank of India where they give educational loans. They ka Meghalaya Rural Bank rumanta kala irap ng shibon ban pen yarap ki khana jung shibon ban pen yo ki loans. One of the other areas ba ki khana kala ban finance adiru is through educational loans. And ni bon ki khana ikumba almost 30 to 40% of our students, all of them, they come through educational loans. The skill sector also now has been recognized as that sector where kids can get a job very easily. And if obviously when people get a job, then to pay off the loan also becomes very simple because the rate of interest is very low since it's an educational loan. And the other thing also, the repayment is a very long time. It helps that the students posing now kimla ban Kim don kala ne kekalintin na ladi ban sale, then they can always approach the bank and nginang nehi na po institute niya rap ban penyo in kilo niki.
Na pedeng ki babon ki wei ki Jaka ai jing Hikai hagani ka than chatei lammingi ka Jettwings ka don ha ka jingete but ka National Skills Development Corporation ka bala ituru da ka All India Council for Technical Education. Mentala palat shipausnem baka Jettwings kala ai ki jing shakri shaki hajar ngut ki Samla kani kathain rengkat ka jing shampang nalor ka jing pentebet yaki ka jing la ban bat ya ka kular pengyo kam yaki tu ki Samla ki bala pendep yaki course prepare kala penlong ya ka Jettwings ban yok priang ya ka khusnam India's best institute in placements naga Associated Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India ka Ministry of Labour and Employment Government of India but ka Ministry of Skill Development Government of India.
I have completed my graduation last year from St. Mary's College and I got my placement in Indigo Airlines, so I think without Jettwings it would not have been possible where I am now. Jettwings helped me in each and every way. Before I was a very simple girl and after I came to Jettwings I have changed myself a lot.
I'm very confident now. Jettwings have really groomed me. They have seen a potential in me where I haven't seen in myself. I thought I'm very weak, I'm very shy, but after coming into Jettwings, I feel so confident. See, here I am. I have even got a placement in Indigo. I was very shy, but Jettwings have changed me a lot.
It is only the beginning and I feel that I could be a much better person because of all the things that I've learned here in Jettwings. Well, I felt happy, I felt relief, I felt that all the efforts that I made to change myself, to change the way that I do things have finally paid off and it made me very, very happy.
Ki jing mentoi ngayo shibun nang ni, menshwa ngalong kena bele ran pha, menta pade ngala change ngala build up my confidence. Ngada ibri rong akren me long shu menshwa ngale ran palat menta pat kala pair sebab palat namar. This institute has teach me a lot. Ngala ngasotenat palat na yeng ru kelas sotenat bangan yo lech rich the but yo try hapo ka hotel behe 5-star hotel.
Ngai bai ka ni ka prathai manta ban kwa bai ya ka kam government ka bala janjar manta te la dang ni join hania pa Jettwings pat ka dan de ka lat ba kumno bangin ya yo kam
kajing mento yo ane ni na do wa join ho po Jettwings to chibon kijing kala go chem honga menchua manu bru mento ki wa am discipline tang mana join ho po Jettwings hikai ki chibon jai na do ka discipline hado ka jing biang por bar kam jo la ka nu gluti go ye ustrokel he jing im gyong e bar kam jo yo he ki bru gyong e ga ni memu yai cha ki la de krek he wan la mem ye go yai cha henre po Jettwings Hikai gu iwa kamon umani ite ki kena ku yu yai cha la de krek he wan ikam ka kubor yang ngato ham chong thi asngi ham chong klik tira lai je kini ki institute kamu man ke Jettwings ha go wai go ip ye ku luti ka lat ye phi ha go ya yo yu im ja chi sen asngi.
Jettwings have given me many things like confidence and even to be disciplined, to be punctual. I think Jettwings have changed me a lot and coming here I think it's a right decision for me, so I think anyone who wanted to become a cabin crew or also a hotelier too could come here, and there's no other things that will stop anyone to become anything in life.
Ada bukan hang ne ngala don ka jingslor tengah yo bun ki Hikai nang ne na po ka Jettwings taru ngala yo placement na po Kerala ko 5-star hotel.
Hello, my name is Lawei and I'm from Giant Hills, Meghalaya. I completed my 12th from Nanda Metric School, Erode, Tamil Nadu, and I'm here in Jettwings pursuing my diploma in aviation, hospitality, tourism and management. I'm a very fun-loving person where I like to travel a lot. So I don't believe in just living in one place and then doing all the same activities every day. I believe like I'm a very adventurous person, so I like to travel to new places and face challenges in life.
Hapo prabenai ngalayo ka placement ha di Oberoi Uday Villas ka bedairu ka number 1 hotel ha in the world. Kajing syam jang ha Uday Villas kalong ka babes bha halon yo bun kijing mentoy kum ka facility ka bangi yo ha Oberoi Uday Villas te mla mo ban yo ha kum kiwe ki hotel but ka dairu ka Jaka ka babiang ka basif ha na ka bentajungi ki kentai minta ha Uday Villas ngala train yo benai.
Alright, Lapayar, come. Amy, yes, just stand there. I'll show you how to do a proper setup. Clear? So you see here, this fork, you see how many inch from here? It is more than 1 inch. So you need to make sure that will be 1 inch from the edge of the table. Why? Why are we keeping 1 inch? So that the cutleries will not fall, right? Now, same thing here with the dinner knife and the soup spoons. Clear? So everything should be 1 inch, right? So whenever you set up a table, you should make sure that all this inch, okay? And the glass should be in the tip of the knife. And always remember, you pick up the glass by the base. Okay, this is the base. Clear? And all this should be equal with the other cover. All right? And this is a side plate. And always remember, the side knife should always be in the side plates. Clear? And again, make sure the inch. Clear? And all the ABC should be in the middle of the cover. Clear? All right? So everything should look equal. Clear? Same thing with this cover. Can you try protect from there? Make sure that it should look evenly, the cover. Yes. Make sure check the inch and the glass.
Nalor kata ke Jettwings ke buat dien yaki kena hakikam ki bakitrai kamtam hakabaya dei bat kerukom im rukom sa ke jingyo yaki tulop biang por kumta terter. Hakabaya dei bat ki airlines ru 4 judon kino ki jing e. Hoi ki kam ki bala pentebet hangni ki dei hakaliang ka hospitality ka food and beverage services nrei las ngodai ban kedau hangni baka Jettwings kam don jingete ai ru em bat ki spa ki massage lani ki beauty parlor lani ki Jaka khemmet.
Hi everyone, this is Manisha and I'm a student of Jettwings. Presently I'm working in Radisson Blu, an international hotel in Bangalore, and it's a very nice and a very pleasant climate, and it's a very good working environment as well. So I just want to give thanks to Jettwings for being as a gateway for me to give me such opportunities to pursue my career. So thank you so much Jettwings, and long live Jettwings. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Samla, student of Jettwings. Currently I'm working at Sheraton Grand, which is in Bangalore, and my outlet is in 31st floor. That's a topmost pub in South India, and I'm really proud to be the team member, and I really want to thank my Jettwings family. Just because of them only I'm here. Long with Jettwings. Love you all.
Hi, my name is Samla. I am working in AirAsia, India. I am here because of Jettwings. I would like to thank Jettwings.
Hello everyone, my name is Lawei from Mizoram. Being an air hostess was my dream. It came true because of Jettwings. I really appreciate for building a confidence in me and their lovely support. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ruma. I'm from Shillong and I'm currently working in AirAsia as a cabin crew. It has always been my dream to be an air hostess, and it could only have been possible because of Jettwings. I'd like to thank each and individual out there for the love and support that they show towards us. Thank you, Jettwings.
Kajing Shakri jong ka Jettwings yaki kena Samla kani ka Tyngshaiñ hakabaya dei bat kajing Hikai kumjo ru ban penyo akam yaki kalalong shisha ka ba job haba shupet kulum yaki jingyo akam ki kena ki bala pendep yaki jingsha Hikai jong ki hagani ka Jaka ka ba omduna yaka khandai pu ar nak shispa bat bon hi ki dei khandai pu pra nak shispa ki kena ki ba yo akam nakawai ka snem shakawai pat.
A great friend of mine once said, that when you start a career, select a good horse. I said, what is a horse? I did not realize it. He said, horse is a career, horse is an organization. You should select a horse which will take you miles apart, and not a career which will take you few steps and get tired, and then nobody will going to give you a job. So I thought, and hospitality is an industry which will build you as a personality, which will build you as knowledge base, and then you have various options also. But before joining, there are few qualities that are required to join this industry, which are: 1, you have to be passionate about what you do. The passion, the energy has to be there in you. Your English communication has to be very good. General knowledge and general awareness has to be there with you. You should know who is the Prime Minister of the country. You should know what's happening in the country. You should know what are the capitals of various countries, capitals of the states in India. So these are basic knowledge that everybody should possess. Secondly, every person has to be humble. He should be ready to serve the guest. And if he does not want to serve the guest, he should not join this industry at all. Humbleness is the most basic criteria that you should be there. To help the guest, to walk across with him, to serve him. If the guest asks you, can I go to the moon? You should not say no. You say, yes, I will give you an option. Let's go to NASA and ask them this, whether you can go to the moon. give option to the guest than saying no. No is not there in our industry. Okay, and that's the basic criteria and basic options that you always have, and those are basic attributes that you should always carry before joining the industry. Industry is just not hotels. Industry is about joining airlines, industry about joining call centers, industry is about joining hospitals. Industry is wide after you join a hospital industry. And we always keep telling people, once you join a hotel, there are several organizations which want to call you for a job and select a job which will build your career. Just don't select a job only for salary. Money will come. Don't worry about money. If you have knowledge, if you have a right attitude, money will come to you. So don't worry about money. Start working towards the attributes that you require to build you as a personality. If you build as a personality, world is yours.
Ukan Chan Chitnis, Director Human Resource, Oberoi Hotels and Resorts. Ula pashat jingmut syakitu ki badang Shusha Jiet Shen ban late rungkam haki hotel laniki airlines dagabaong bagi don arteli ki phang ki balong kongsan hakani ka industry. Bon spa ngot ki Samla kani ka Tyngshaiñ kila yokmat ya ka jingmentoi hadien bakila dep ya ka Jengsha Hikai hakani ka institute kumbangila ya sngo ya ka jingpla jongki. Kumta habang yo I kumni bagi kena Samla ki yo ka jingpentbet nakani ka Jaka Hikai Jettwings balai on khuslai sho ka Jettwings ka tung ya ki no Hikai ki betbet bat shempang hagarukam ai jing Hikai ka ba janai daga ba outdoor ya ki ban yar ka sembok perkhat ban tebet hagani ka liang ai jing syakri syaki customer ka bangitip kum ka hospitality management. Kabakongsan kadai bagi Samla ki batrang ban kiau hagani kaliang kidon kam bandon ka mensiam ka bakluj haga jingtrei rengkat ki khmat bapo samrkhe bar haga jo kapor ban kiau irat sajrong haga kam jongki.
And of course, the one thing that we have, I think, and can very proudly say, Mangilong, very smart, very disciplined. And that's one of the reasons why the institute like us that we have here in Jettwings also, the only thing that we do is kita kena keladon lupa kata ka jinglong jongki. Di ke institute kumbangi ke Jettwings, what we do is we just polish. Kita kena kandit. Kumno bakin keren bha, kumno bakin le ki, how to behave in an environment which is very professional. Atat kumno bakin ya, how to serve customers properly. These are things that is already natural ya ki beriyo jongi. It's just that all we have to do is just polish them again. And that's why Jettwings, that's where we are very good at. I think we can be proud to say. And also for the fact that and we welcome again a lot of students, even if they just want to find out information about the tourism industry, about the airlines industry, about the hospitality industry, just want to come and find information. We are more than happy to give them information.